Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about gold. So let's get going. This is the chart I made on July 28th, and this is the chart I started with the last video as well. So let's go take a look step by step, few more charts that what happened to this chart and how we are going to go, going to the upside, right? So this, what happened to this next is 31st July going to the upside, then it dipped, and I said, okay, we're gonna go up to the again. And here, 7th August, we drop again to this teal. Then I said, well, we're gonna be bouncing from 61%. All right, so we start bouncing on the 10th August, and same chart, but I made the chart that okay, this is the before chart must stay above this, and then we will be going to the upside. So this was the journey to the upside. All these charts are showing that we need to be going to the upside. So in the meantime, I am watching the smaller time frame as well, and this is the smaller time frame, which is 1,000 big size. It's like an anchor chart, right? So that's my mumbo jumbo here. So this was like a harmonic pattern. I saw this calculation here. This is what it is: 61, 23, 78. But the location of this pattern was awkward, means wrong position. The location was all the way to the downside. So on the way to the downside, if you get a bullish pattern, that will be much better. Bearish all the way to the down move is not good. It's going to fail, right? So that's why I made these new charts, right? It's my own charts. And nobody, thought of that before. So, I made new charts that if Girdle is in a wrong location, what will happen? It will not play out. It will just, it start to play out, but it will bounce back and then go and become a null and void. But the thing is that how do we cash out that null and void, right? So even if it's a failed bearish Girdle, then I want to cash out, right? So that's the way to do it. So this is how we do it. See, these my buy orders right there from this 23% line. So my game starts from here, and then I, keeping in mind that I am already, expecting there is going to be a fair girdle here. It's not going to stop here. It will probably dip a little bit or may not, and then go to the upside. And where you will see, right? So this is how it start to go. You see that? It went there, and I wrote it down here. It's on my fib. Fair girdle is going to be a fair girdle, and the target would be this, either this 127 extension level or wave 3, 1.618 or 178. Right? If I employ the Elliott wave count in there as well, so harmonic pattern, they're both same thing, right? So it's just different way to look at them. That's all. So wave 1, 2, wave 3 goes usually into this area. So it says, okay, we going there, and I had tons of trades going to the upside, big trades. I showed in my last video, so you can see that. So now finally we reached there. On the 12th August, we hit this target here for wave 3 or extension 127. This is an after chart. After means that, what happened from my chart from here, before chart that, it's going to be, the target was going to be this, and we go there. We went there nice and clean, right? And now I said, remember in our last video, I said that this is where the game is over to the upside and we're going to drop. And I will make a new chart. Remember that? And this is the chart that I made. And I probably showed that in the video, that, or maybe not. So this is the chart I made the same day that, okay, wave 3 is finished. And this is wave 1, 2, 3. And we're going to be dropping here for wave 4. The channel hit, and then this one. And then basically it looks like this. This is 1, 2, 3, and then ABC 4. Sometimes it, does ABC, sometimes not. Sometimes ABC flat, sideways, different. So, but the idea is that, see written here, it's just very small print though. So it says wave 4 is usually about 38% of wave 3. So if you pull the fib from here to here, let me show you the live chart. If I have this here, see the fib from here to here, you see that? The price came exactly and hit this 38%. That's what the diagram says, call for 38%. So wave 4 calculation. So now we are sitting here. Now we are sitting here right now. Let me show you what was the chart here. Yeah, right. This one, right? And after that, and it's coming down and down, and I had my trade open a few, right? coming down all the way. And this is the final chart I made that, okay, somewhere here, maybe it's going to drop more, but 38%, that's where I close my trades, right? And now I will wait until it gives me a long signal, right? And tell me that we are going to the long side, and then I'll start looking for my entries from my entry charts, and then I'll take it all the way. Now, if this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, so far so good, then we should have a wave 5 extension to 127 or 161 of this drop here, right? So that's what I'm looking for. And by the way, coming down, I had several trades, but I only was able to record two last two because see, today was CPI, right? And after that, it was like crazy, crazy movement, right? Up and down and up and down. Gold was all over the place. But finally, Omar, my son, he also traded, and he only trading gold and doing very well with his account. So he took this entry. You see that? His EA, he's using his own EA. It says indices, but it's a gold EA. Expert advisor. That opens the trade automatically once you know where the heck this thing is going, that you just simply put this EA on the chart, and then, when the setup is ready, the EA opens the trade anyway, automatically. So that's exactly what happened here. So when I saw him doing that, then I did the same thing, and then I got this one here, which is the next chart you will see. This one. You see that? With a little arrow here? That is the one that I got. And we both close here. I close it, exactly. This is a daily pivot here. Right, there was R2, this is R1, this is daily pivot, 2440, and 38% off that, you know exactly what it is, right there, 2442, right? So we close both our trades, and this is how the game is over for the downside for wave 4. Now the game will start for wave 5. So I just told you what I'm going to be doing. I'll need my signal here, a reversal candle, one blue candle, and then I'll go on my smaller time frame, put my EA on there, and then the game is automatically start from there, right? So this is how I just wanted to show you guys and give you a heads up and give you this chart here so you can take advantage of it. I don't know, whoever using whatever the system, but you must have a system. If you don't, then very, very difficult to win this market, because look what happened to CPI. After CPI, man, it's like I hit my maybe 3 or 4 times my SL hit, but my SL is always very, very small, right? And when it catches the direction, then Al says, okay, no, I know exactly that when it catches the direction, it's gonna go for the rest of the day, and that's exactly what happened, right? And that's exactly what happened when it was going all the way to the upside. So it catches the direction, that's it. Hallelujah. You know exactly then it is going now. So you hold that one. So even if you have like a couple of SL hit for small stop losses, it will all be covered, and then you make tons of more. Now, so this is it for now for gold. I had very, very good trades on my chart setup over the weekend. I made for pound USD and euro USD and pound USD. Right, they both went beautifully exactly to their targets. And one was for like 90 pip, the other one was for 100 pip. I'll make that video separate. But the gold chart is this, and then the game is over here with wave 4. Like I said, then we're gonna be starting for wave 5. And this is my Telegram where I post all the heads up, and it's like different charts and setups like this one gold, right? And what is going to happen. This is when the news is coming out, what to watch, this and that. So it's very helpful, this. And if you like what you saw the whole game, you want to learn, you want to get the system, then go on my website here, my creativetrading.com. And you have everything here: monthly subscription, weekly, 6 month, year, not weekly or yearly, and one-on-one coaching is available here. I coach over the Zoom, 10-hour course, 5-hour course. Plus, you have courses here: harmonic pattern, Elliott wave. You see how I catch these Elliott wave easily and then take my trades. That's what you're gonna learn from here. And these Elliott wave course or harmonic pattern, right? Once you learn that, you can trade every single thing in the market. Even you can trade, human being. Anything you can open in the MT4, yeah, you can open, trade. Commodities, the stock market, indices, all of that, right? So just you need to learn that exactly how these waves moves and what are the calculation, what comes after what. That's it. Once you learn that, that's it. This market is going to be under your feet. Okay, so this is how it is, right? So I think I covered everything. So bye for now, and then I'll make the next video about gold, not gold, man. I'm making a gold. About Euro USD, Pound USD trades with the setup and the trades. Plus, I will cover a little bit of US dollar index so that you will know exactly that where the USD pairs are going, right? There are like 7 of them, right? 4 goes one way, 3 goes the other way. So I'll make a video, give you the setups and everything, right? But like I said, that if you have your system to make the entries, proper entries, then fine. If not, if you may wanna try mine and then come on this website and then get involved. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.